Hi guys, Raj here from Trading College, and in this week's video I'm going to go through some super simple trades that we've had this week that have made some decent money for us in the live trading room. So gold obviously has been in a downtrend on the higher time frame charts, but really all these trades I want to focus on the hourly chart because it's been super interesting and it's been moving quite fast this week. So what I want to focus on is the PTS colors. Okay, so we've had obviously this move above the moving averages, the market's making higher highs, higher lows, but really these changes of when we've gone from red to green, they have yielded some excellent results. So again, just all of these changes where we have gone from red to green, as long as your stop loss is in a decent place, which the PTS, puts for you anyway, you can see that on this most recent one. All you've really had to do is trade the color changes in this nice, smooth up movement to make some money on the upside. That's been really good. And it hasn't only been in gold. Let's go and have a look at one of the indices. So let's go and check what the Dow Jones has been doing and just really check this out. So as soon as this market moved down and we were below the moving averages and we come back up, we moved into this really nice period of higher highs, higher lows here. And it really, the prominent changes of, when we get momentum triggers like that, and when we get a new PTS signal like that. Let's just grab an arrow to show you where it happened. It really changed in and around here. And this was yesterday, I believe, or the day before. We really got a good color change market here. We got a good momentum trigger that came in at the same time. And then we just got a really nice, good, smooth movement up. It was really that easy. And let's also go for one of the currencies. So let's go for euro dollar, and again, just look how smooth this is. It really is. So we got one color change there. We've got another color change there. And then obviously we've got this massive one here. And then more recently, we've got this one here, which has just recently hit target, nearly hitting the third target today. So you've even got a live example today of how simple this PTS color change system could be. And these are all trades that are coming in from the live trading room. I focus on some higher time frames, but I have been doing some lower time frames this week. Also, some of the other coaches like Dan, James, Lee, they've been posting in some of these PTS trades this week. And you can see it really can be just as simple as monitoring the color changes in some very nice trends and having confidence in them, and just basically watching the market move up after you get these good color changes. And really and simply, that is all you need to do. If you've got any questions or anything, or you want any answers, just please email in with them and we'll happily cover them in the videos. But other than that, have a good week and hopefully I'll speak to you next week.